Hi guys, I'm glad to see you in another video. Today's video, I'm going to show you my new slime room. So I'm going to show you all my slime room and all that stuff. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Don't forget to stay tuned to the end of this video. Go and check my Instagram right now, Made for Slimes, by the way. So yeah, let's get started.